Would you like to live in Spain with your family with these breathtaking views in a luxury property? Keep watching. Welcome back to a new touring video. I'm excited to present you this luxury modern property. Saying that, I think I'm always excited. Let's get straight into the specs of this home. It has 1,200 square meters of plot, 700 square meters built, 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms and 2 toilets, apartment, and it's got breathtaking views. You come out straight away from the living room and the kitchen to this golden area. But we'll see that later. Let's go straight to the entrance. The home has 2 ways to access it. This is the main entrance, and then here is to bring in the cars. You can fit at least 4. It even has amazing views from the parking space. And then coming straight through here, it has a real detailed entrance. Here, a beautiful olive tree, plants, LED lights on the side. This at night lit up must look amazing. And you've got this big wooden door all the way up to the ceiling. First thing you see when you come in is the wow moment. If you bring guests here, they would be in shock. Massive windows with panoramic views to the sea and to the mountains. Coming through here, the 2 bedrooms, they all have ensuite and the doors go all the way up to the ceiling. Really good details. The whole house has climate control, and all of the rooms has this inbuilt closet with LEDs inside. And then from the bedroom, you go straight out to the terrace. Just imagine yourself waking up every single morning and the first thing you do is come out and let the sun hit you to wake you up. Entering the living room, you have this modern staircase. Very spacious living room and a lot of natural light coming in with these great big glass windows. Then coming through here, the dining area. Modern American kitchen. I really like the contrast of the black and the white. Top appliances, Miele, and the whole home is connected to a domotica. So it's an iPad that controls the curtains, the lights, the cameras, and much more. Check outside. I'm feeling high when I'm low. I need it more when you're close to me. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Coming out, first thing we see is the dining area. We're covered so the sun doesn't come in here. A bar area, toilet, shower, and then coming through here to the golden shot. Just look at these breathtaking views and this terrace. Swimming pool, infinity. Love the design with the jacuzzi on this side. Here, another area to relax with views to the Calpe Rock, to the mountains and to the sea. Another place to relax area and the little special pool here. Let's go and check out inside. Walking in to the master bedroom, a lot of space. Through here, walk-in wardrobe. All the doors work with magnets and they've worked a lot on the details. They have speakers also here to listen to some good music at night. Just look at the design of this bathroom. Toilet on this side, big glass open shower with LEDs all around, enormous bathtub with views to the mountains and to the sea with this big glass window, and then through here, it's perfect to get ready in the morning and start your day. On the bottom floor, you have the apartment with a separate entrance. Another place here to relax with views. Let's go and check out inside. with a living room connected to a kitchen, open windows, and then through here, the bedroom and the bathroom. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. I really like these modern homes. If you're interested in seeing more properties, just click on the playlist here, and I'll be waiting for you on the next video. See you there.